Hi guys, this is Sg Pinecone Forest 2402 RTR 1 race to 24 scale model. I bought this a month ago, and this is the model which I bought actually. Okay, it was delivered to me pretty good, in a very good condition, but it's not even 1.5 month, and I am able to hear some weird noise from its central gearbox assembly, which is uh, right here. This is the one which is making a weird noise when it moves, when the vehicle moves in the front direction. However, when I lift the vehicle and then I try to move it in front, it still makes some weird noise from this particular section, from the center gear assembly. I don't know what kind of noise it is. Initially, for a couple of days, there was no such noise coming up. The vehicle was, functioning pretty smooth. But I don't know what's wrong with the vehicle now. It, a very weird noise comes out from the vehicle when it moves in the front direction. However, at the same time, when I reverse it, there is no noise comes up. It's usually the the motor which can be heard easily. I'm going to show you. Let's see how does that sounds. I'm going to move the vehicle in the front. No, I'm going to. Okay, this is the vehicle out here. I'm going to first take the vehicle. I'm going to first reverse it first, so that you can hear the sound of the motor, and then you can compare it with the front. How does it sound? Okay. Okay, this is how it sounds when it moves in the rear direction. However, there is a slight noise that still comes up, but it's pretty annoying when I try to when it moves in the front direction. Okay, you can compare it right now. You can see the difference. See. See. See, this is how weird noise that comes up. Okay. Now I'm going to lift the vehicle and show you how does it sounds as well. So you should get some idea. Okay. See. Now I'm going to move it in front direction. Now it's in rear. Now it's in front. This is in rear. Okay. Now I'm going to lift the vehicle, and then I'm going to run it. Okay, you can see the difference. Okay, let me just try to set up the camera, and then I'll show that to you how it's going to sound. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Let me just try to make it in a board. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to move it in front, and you can hear the sound now. See, when it moves in the reverse direction, there is no sound. Actually, it's just the motor which can be heard. But when it moves in the front direction, see that. You can see that. So I'm going to put this request to the Banggood team, Let's see how does they respond to me. I hope they work with me and try to get the replacement of the vehicle. I'm not going to get a refund. I don't want a refund. I really like this particular vehicle very much. I bought it for my son on his 5th birthday. He enjoyed it, but now he just want this to get fixed. So I hope Banggood would be able to assist me, trying to help out this issue get fixed. Hope they you know work with me and resolve my issue. That's it. Yeah.